Child, this is another update. Guys, I need to let you know I have two different updates. Just like yesterday, VDM came into Nigeria from China yesterday, and right now we have two updates right now. One is Davido, the Babanla. Now he went to the FIFA World Cup and he didn't go alone. He was wearing an outfit reflecting and showing the insecurity and bring them back right up at the back of his t-shirt, showing, and also the logo showing the names of the adopted children, adopted students, and their teachers. And also, I've been want to let you know about VDM. Baba came yesterday, and imagine what actually happened yesterday. That night when he immediately came, a protest was launched directly to the Air Force base, so that a lot of things can go down. I would like you to just see the video. Alright.
What we doing, Holly? What we doing?
You know what I mean? FIFA. You know what I mean? The social issues that's going on in Nigeria right now. The kids that's abducted. These are the names. The kids and the teachers, and the ones that read are the ones that lost their lives. You know what I mean? May they so rest in peace. You know what I mean? Bring them back home. You know what I mean? Let me see the back again, boss. You know what I mean? Crazy. Bring them home.
Pray for peace.
Pray for peace
love
in Nigeria.
everywhere. May God be with the families of the abducted and the ones that have been killed. It's just a very, very sad situation. Still haven't been rescued. And we're praying to God every day. And also praying to God that, the government hastens and,
You know what I mean? Let's see the shirt. Pray for peace in Nigeria.
And man, my country is going through a lot, man. Going through a lot. Sad. But yeah, we represent everywhere we go, man.
Yes, sir, we're here.
Wait. You are integrity show. God bless our president. Calm down. One house. Hey, listen. Hold on. Hey! Silence! One house! Listen.
Yes.
We are going.
Wait now.
Okay now. Wait.
Yes.
Listen. Clear the road.
Okay.
We are going like this. We are going out.
Okay.
The chances.
Yes.
Tinubu should bring back the children.
Yes.
Or he must resign.
Yes. Thank you, President. Thank you. God bless you, President. Calm down.
Not all. Bring back the children and resign.
Yes.
Not all.
But all.
Alright, you've seen it now, you've heard a lot. Please subscribe, like, share, and tell us about your own thoughts about the ongoing revolution, because right now it is a revolution. It's no longer just a natural move, it's a revolution, and we are looking forward to a better Nigeria. You and I, we are going to have a better start with Nigeria. Starting from this moment, as long as we are not silent, as long as we are not following the bad people, as long as we are not doing as if we are not seeing what is going on in Nigeria. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Remember to turn on the notification button so that whenever we drop any updates, you can see them instantly. Alright, thank you. Peace out.